Blame it on the train, Owlette. Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Why are you so excited, Amaya?
Because the fair's got an amazing new ride. The Fairground Flyer Train. I saw them testing it yesterday. It was so fast. It's going to feel like flying.
You know, I like going fast.
Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Wow, everyone wants to ride this thing.
Because it's the fastest ride in the world. Come on, you have to check it out. Hey.
We were here first. Get in line. Amaya?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the Fairground Flyer Train is now gone.
Where's the train?
It can't be gone.
I was so looking forward to flying.
But how can a big train disappear?
Trains run on tracks, right? Well, there are twists and loop-de-loops, but this track is still a closed circle.
So how could it get off its track and keep going?
Look! It's like there were more train tracks, but now they're gone.
Train tracks that disappear. It has to be a nighttime villain.
PJ Masks, we're on our way.
Into the night to save the day.
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face fiendish villains to stop them messing with your day. Greg becomes...
Gecko! Yeah!
Connor becomes...
Catboy!
Amaya becomes...
Owlette! Come on, come on, come on! To the Owl Glider!
Hey, wait, Owlette. If we're going to follow that trail, we need to be on the ground.
All right, good point. I just really want you guys to ride it.
Okay, so...
To the car! I know, let's do it!
She's really impatient.
Come on, guys, let's go! Looking, nothing here.
Wait, Owlette. The marks from the missing train tracks are here, remember?
So if we follow them, we'll find the train?
Yes, let's go, let's go!
Was that Romeo's lab?
It looked like it, Gecko, but it was all over the place. Maybe there's
Guys, never mind Romeo. If he's in his lab, he can't be driving that train, and we need to find out who is. Go, go, go!
Okay.
Hey.
No more tracks.
How will we find the train now?
Owl Eyes! I see something up ahead. Something fast. That's it! The train! See? I told you it was fast.
Now let's see who's driving.
Romeo? Well, hello, PJ Masks.
But we just saw you driving your lab.
That wasn't me. No one's driving my lab. Silly thing short-circuited and took off by itself. Good thing I've got this super fast train to catch it with, eh?
But where did these train tracks come from?
Easy, huh? Thanks to my invention, the Tracker Whacker. It makes tracks anywhere.
Wow, that is pretty cool.
And what's even cooler is the other one at the back that picks the tracks up again. But Romeo, you don't need this train. We can catch your lab for you. Ha! Like I'm giving this train up once I get my lab? No way! With the tools from my lab, I can make this train even faster. I'll be the fastest villain in the world! Huh? Aha! There you are, my lab. Ha! lab and making that train even more dangerous.
On it, Owlette! Here we come, Romeo! Autopilot!
Awesome! And wow, this train is pretty cool.
Ha! I'm almost caught up with you, you naughty lab. Ha! Those PJ Masks were never gonna catch me in that super slow cat car. Come on, PJ Masks! Let's stop Romeo! Super Owl Wings! Owlette! Whoa! I was almost bird feed. Thanks, Catboy.
No rush, Owlette. We'll get there.
Hey! Let's sneak up on him really, really slowly.
Why be slow? Let's just go! Whoa! Whoa! Owlette! I'm okay!
Huh? Those PJ Masks couldn't be on my train, could they? Better make sure they're not.
Sorry, guys. Looks like Romeo found out we're on the train.
It's okay. New idea. We all go after Romeo at once. He can't stop three of us. Okay, on three. We all run and jump. 1, 2...
Come on, guys! Owlette!
No, wait! Whoa!
Why didn't I listen to Catboy and Gecko? Romeo's almost caught up with his lab. All because I was in such a rush.
Owlette!
Are you all right?
Yes, but I'm sorry. Every time you made a plan, I rushed ahead without you. And then it didn't work.
It's okay. You were just really excited about us riding the train.
I'll take care of this robot arm. Super Gecko Muscle!
But now I've got a plan. And for it to work, I'm going to have to wait. It's time to be a hero.
Yeah! I know you're all in there, PJ Masks, but not for long.
Quick, what's your plan, Owlette? We're going to stop this train for good. And we're going to do it together. Catboy, you leap up and grab some tree branches. Gecko, you crawl down next to the tracker whacker.
Got it, Owlette.
Then it's my turn. I'll fly the branches to you, and you can use them to jam the tracker whacker and stop the tracks. Without tracks, this train won't ever catch Romeo's lab.
Great plan, Owlette. I think it'll work.
As long as I wait for you guys to do your thing first.
Go, PJ Masks!
Huh? Oops. Remember, Owlette, don't rush. Your turn, Catboy. I'll just, wait.
Okay, my tracker whacker. More tracks! More tracks!
Super Cat Jump!
Okay, now it's my turn. Nice and easy.
Nice one, Owlette. What? Stop it, you PJ pests.
Too late, Romeo. Gecko, jam that tracker whacker.
Ah! Whoa! Super lizard grip! Hang on to me, everyone! told you we could catch your lab.
My lovely lab, yes, yes, yes! I might have lost my train, but I'll always have you, my lovely lab.
Now let's get this train back home.
Everyone at the fair will be so happy.
I'll meet you next time, PJ Masks!
Huh? He didn't even say thanks for helping.
Don't worry, Gecko. We saved the fairground flyer train.
PJ Masks, I'll shout hooray! 'Cause in the night we save the day!
Yay! Come on!
It's almost time.
I've been on this train once, but I can't wait to ride it again.
Hooray! Yeah! Hey, you guys go ahead. Really? Thanks, Amaya. I'm happy to wait. Enjoy the ride. It goes pretty fast.